TR vlogs. She almost ran me over. This is why they say we females cannot drive. Talking around. Some milk. Going on? What the hell is going on? Hey, back up. She almost hit me. Well, she's a Mustang driver, probably.
See, I got a Mustang, so it's like.
But you not, no. She almost hit me. You saw her almost hit me?
I can't laugh alone. I done that sound. What made that video funnier is that it reminded me of my uncle, because that's the shit that he do.
Yeah, Take
my cousin in.
Gang. This motherfucker here. Hold up, no, he not in the vlog. This motherfucker don't know how to call nobody.
Pick up the phone, man. When did you call me?
I said, you don't know how to call nobody.
Well, I'm trying to stay low key right now.
I can keep it out.
I bet you if I go to the USPS post office, they be like,
what is, look, hold up.
Do y'all know about this?
And she falling. She falling like, wait.
Oh, I deliver your mail.
So I'm about to move my car. Yo, that dude is like fucking creeping me out like shit, dude. He's like just staring at me. Why do y'all do that? Like, can someone please explain to me? Like, it's only like black and Hispanic. It's like, why do y'all do that shit? Yo, this dude got a Supra and shit. But, hold up. We in here with the Wabe. I don't know if you can see me, but we getting hot. Yo, I always miss the best stuff. Dude, I miss that dude crashing into the wall. I miss this. I'm going off what? 3 hours of sleep in 2 days.
Fuck.
So, insomnia, people.
Fucking insomnia.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.